Hands. Send me some units. I got him at gunpoint. Roll your window down. Roll the window down.
I'm in charge of traffic for Young 61.
All right, get out. Get out. Get out. I'll explain it to you in a second. Get out. Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Dude, get out of the car. Get out of the car. He's refusing to get out of the car. Dude, get out of the car. Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Get out of the car, dude. Get in the car. Get in the car! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Don't move! Don't move! Stay where you're at. Okay. Stay where you're at. Get out! Get out! I need help, sir. Yeah, hold on. Yes, sir. Suspect's been shot. Send me up.
Hey, she said he's got a gun.
Put your hand up! Put your hand up! Put your hand up! Put your left hand up! Put your left hand up! Put your left hand up! Now! Put your left hand up! Put your left hand up! Put your left hand up! Put your left hand up, sir! 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 Put your left hand up! Put your left hand up! He's over here. Secure the car. Shut the doors. Give me one person. What you need? I don't have eyes on his left hand right now. He might be 10-7 right now, but we need to pull him out of the car for MIMS. You got him covered? I got him covered.
Hey, you got me covered?
I got everyone covered. Yeah. But I don't know where his gun's at, but he has a gun.